as we said in this demonstration, we will append some data. So now we are going to go to our Excel sheet, which is having two sheets inside. So the first sheet is our source, and here we have ID, name, and position with the 3 rows. The second sheet also we have ID, name, position with also 3 rows. What we want to do, we want to copy this data from sheet 2 to sheet 1. So the data should be actually added into the row number 5 and 6 and 7 without overwriting the existing value. So how we can append those rows into this sheet, this is what we are going to do in this demonstration. So I have created a sequence which is demo 6, and they have included the first activity, which is Excel application scope. What we want to do now, we need to actually search for read range. So I'm going to copy this activity, which is requesting now my source sheet. So my source sheet in my demonstration, in this demonstration, it is sheet 2, and I want to actually read everything. Fine. After that, I'm going to specify my variable, because this data which I'm going to copy, I need to save it into a certain variable. So for that, I need to use a certain variable name, which is append. Let us assume that this is the variable name, and that's it. After that, what I need to do, I need to use append range. I will drag it under read range, and then I need to specify my destination sheet, which is sheet 1, and I need to specify my variable, which is actually containing the data, which is in this case append. Fine. And then after that, I'm going to close my Excel sheet, and then I'm going to run my automation. Let us go to our data and see if the rows were added. So as you can see in sheet 1, which is the destination sheet, the 3 rows which are actually were available in sheet 2, it's been added to the following rows without overwriting the existing rows. So as you can see, it is being added successfully without affecting our previous data.